So, welcome back to the channel. I'm currently in Tampa. If you have seen my short, the YouTube reel, I did posted one about Tampa and why it's not a good place to explore because there is nothing to explore. But I do have a vlog coming up. So, the question why I am in Tampa. So, I had a job interview for sales position. I went there, I interviewed. They said that they already hired someone yesterday. Again, sales position doesn't like I didn't got the position, so I'm back to square one. I'm still looking for jobs again, but I'm here for the vlog. Not for a vlog. This is not a vlog type of video. There's gonna be a tier list of Indian states. Again, it's my opinion. None of that matters. So please feel free to change the ranking as like whatever you want it to be in the comments. But yeah, and I have one more request. So if you guys need a live session with me, you can ask me questions regarding masters, PhD programs, data science, computer science, YouTube, anything. So if you guys want, please comment it down so I can understand that. Okay, so should I do that or not? Getting back to, we have a tier list today. So what's our formula? Wait, yeah. So what's gonna be our formula? So our formula is gonna be basically we're gonna be rating Indian states on the basis of living, famous things, people, society, location, like traveling location type thing, food. So basically 5, and it's gonna be biased because it's me, so it's gonna be biased. We're gonna start strong with what is this? Yeah, there's a little bit of problem with like this. It's Andhra Pradesh, okay. So Andhra Pradesh. So if I remember correctly, Andhra Pradesh is the state that is tied up with Karnataka for Tollywood, I think. Andhra Pradesh. I know Andhra Pradesh has like a lot of greenery, lot of beautiful temples and Madurai and everything. But the question is it up there, or is like how good it is gonna be? So we're gonna go to the official website of Andhra Pradesh, like the tourism wise, and we're gonna have a look. If I'm correct, there are like a lot of shooting that goes on there, and Andhra Pradesh capital is Hyderabad, right? Okay. Hyderabad is a nice place for tech people and everything, and so I'm just gonna rate it around up there. It's up there because of the greenery, because of like Chennai Express type of thing. I'm like, I understand that it's good. Popular list. Visakhapatnam is there. Vijaya. Oh wait, Hyderabad is not part of. Sorry, I'm sorry, guys. Telangana. Hyderabad is part of Telangana. I'm sorry about that. I'm really sorry about it. Let's do it valid then. This is Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, I again know Arunachal Pradesh is good for greenery and those things, but I do know that there are tribal wars going on, and everything is like a jungle, like in Nagaland. So I'm just gonna put it. Your existence doesn't affect me. Then we have, I think it's Meghalaya, if I'm correct. Wait, it's Meghalaya. No, it's Assam. Yeah, it's way too confusing with these, like this small place. Okay, we will do it afterwards. But Bihar. Okay, I don't like Bihari. I have a friend in Bihar, but I don't like Bihari because they are way too ooh, like everyone knows how they are. So I'm just gonna put it why. Jharkhand. Oh yeah, Chhattisgarh. Sorry, Chhattisgarh. Never heard about good places there. Never been to there, and I don't think it's important anyhow. So we're just gonna put it there. Goa. Goa is important because everyone knows कहाँ जाना है गोवा चलते हैं so Goa is up there 100% Goa is up there Gujarat is up there because Ambani's Adani's Modi Gandhinagar only drawback not alcoholic place for people because people come to my state to drink so that's one part but it is good it has like greenery it has a national park so that's a very big thing. Then we have Haryana, I think. Yep, Haryana. Haryana. We got Ganga. We got Rishikesh. Rishikesh is Himachal Pradesh, right? Wait, I'm getting confused with it. Uttarakhand. Rishikesh is Uttarakhand, sorry. So the only thing there is Ganga. Let's do it valid because never mind. Himachal Pradesh. Okay, I'm gonna rate Himachal Pradesh up there because they have the biggest cricket ground ever. They have the greenery. They have the apples. They have Shimla, Manali. Manali is not part of that, but it's close by, I think. Himachal Pradesh. Yes, Manali is in Himachal Pradesh. So Himachal is S tier. You can't compete with that. I know, like, there are states that are gonna compete, but yeah. Then we got Karnataka. Ooh, Karnataka. I'm gonna put it up there. Again, Tollywood. Karnataka is again. Wait, if I remember correctly, again. मेरे को मालूम है कर्नाटका में बहुत चीज़ है बहुत मंदिर है बहुत सारे मंदिर है कैपिटल बेंगलोर है बेंगलोर इज टेक आईटी टेक हब पूरा ठीक है और कर्नाटका इज गुड मेरी बहन कर्नाटका में पढ़ती है भाई तो हाँ कर्नाटका इज गुड कर्नाटका इज अप देयर डेफिनेटली अप देयर एक्चुअली लेट्स डू हिमाचल डाउन let's do Himachal here around wait no I did what I did Jharkhand here no Jharkhand is never gonna be there your recognition doesn't matter to me I have a friend from Jharkhand but again Goa is up there definitely Gujarat is gonna be S tier because like a lot of things are there again I would put Karnataka before Goa because Karnataka again has beaches it has like the big coastline and everything so I would prefer Karnataka over Goa anytime okay then we have Kerala my roommate was from Kerala Kerala has like a big literacy rate Kerala has a boat riding race and everything but the state is small and they don't usually speak Hindi वो सिर्फ इंग्लिश में बातें करते हैं जैसे मैं कर रहा था अभी क्योंकि मैं यूएस में हूँ बट हाँ वैसा होता है मध्य प्रदेश वैलिड नॉट इट्स इन द मिडल दैट्स इट दे हैव सम मौर्य चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य पीरियड artifacts and those things Amitabh Bachchan promotes Madhya Pradesh I think I remember if I remember correctly but I don't think उसके ज़्यादा कुछ है इसमें nope महाराष्ट्र एस टी है डेफिनेटली एस टी है मैं महाराष्ट्र इतना घुमा नहीं होगा जितना मेरे को मालूम है महाराष्ट्र के बारे में मेरे फ्रेंड्स मेरे कजन सब महाराष्ट्र में रहते हैं पूरा बॉम्बे है पुणे है नासिक है फिर तो आई थिंक महाराष्ट्र इज गोना बी एस टीयर एस प्लस टीयर दैट्स नॉट गोना बी एनीथिंग अबाउट इट गुजरात सेकंड में आ गया now what is this Manipur okay to be honest the seven sisters of East India, that are basically Meghalaya, Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, and what was one more? Um, Manipur, Meghalaya, and sorry, Meghalaya, Assam, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, और क्या था, मिजोरम कैपिटल आई थिंक सो, मिजोरम कैपिटल, वेट, 7 sisters of India, here it is, yeah, like look at the view, काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क है, but again you like see the view, but does it really matter that much? That's the thing. I know location has very specific views, but अगर इंडिया के हिसाब से देखे, आपको हर सिटी में कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा, हर स्टेट में. Not gonna get about it, but let's do it. Your existence doesn't matter. मणिपुर तो वैसे भी म्यांमार के साथ वॉर में रहता था और बांग्लादेश का पार्ट होने वाला था, तो दैट्स दैट. योर एग्जिस्टेंस डजंट मैटर. एक्चुअली लेट्स कीप इट वाई, बिकॉज मैंने बिहार को वाई में रखा है, जबकि बिहार ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. ओके, then what we got here, we got Nagaland is good because the thing is I've just seen movies like fights and those things, like पूरे जंगल में जाके fight करते हैं ये लोग, and again on Nagaland, so I'm just gonna put it here. The only state I think that is gonna come on valid is gonna be Assam, because Assamese are way too friendly. Chai again, and they are close to Nepal and Himalayas, and like बहुत अच्छा mountain area. Sorry, Himalayas सिक्किम के पास में, but बहुत अच्छा mountain area. So we're gonna put it there. I think this is gonna be it. Odisha. Again, Odisha. Don't know anything about it. I just know उसका capital भुवनेश्वर है and वहाँ पे लोग है. That's it. उसके आगे मेरे को इतना कुछ आइडिया नहीं है भुवनेश्वर का, तो आई एम जस्ट गोना पुट वाई, बिकॉज झारखंड एंड उड़ीसा दोनों एक ही स्टेट थे, वो डिवाइड हुए, तो इसलिए. दैट्स पंजाब राइट, चंडीगढ़ एंड पंजाब, या Chandigarh and Punjab. Chandigarh and Punjab are up there because Punjabis, Canada, not gonna get about it, but they got like a जो नॉन वेज खाते हैं उनके लिए चिकन टिक्का ये सब है, जो वेज खाते ढाबा उधर से चालू हुए, मूवीज इतनी शूट हुई है, पूरा ग्रीनरीज एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड चंडीगढ़ इज़ वन ऑफ द रिचेस्ट सिटीज ऑफ इंडिया. लाइक वहाँ पे गाड़ियाँ देखोगे आप पागल हो जाओगे. Now Rajasthan is gonna be S tier definitely because it's my state. I'm from Udaipur वर्ल्ड में टॉप कंट्री सिटीज में आता था, तो that's a very good point. Then we have Jaisalmer for a desert side. We got Jaipur for kings. We have forts, like different forts and everything. So that's gonna be that. I think that's Sikkim, right? Yeah. Sikkim is gonna be, your existence doesn't affect me. क्योंकि सिक्किम अगेन नेपाल के पास, अगर मेरे को सिक्किम से जो देखना है वो नेपाल में जाके देख सकता हूँ और बेटर देखूँगा. दिस इज गोना बी वन ऑफ द एस टी. तमिलनाडु चेन्नई कैपिटल पहली वो ख़त्म. उसके बाद दे हैव लाइक वे टू वेराइटीज. पौंडीचेरी, वेट आई एम कन्फ्यूज्ड. पौंडीचेरी यूनियन टेरिटरी आता है बट चेन्नई के पास है, तो we're gonna keep it there. Again, why I'm sleepy? Because I have been driving for like a whole day now, since 1 o'clock. So yeah, but here we are. Telangana is up there because again Hyderabad. लोग ओके टू बी ऑनेस्ट, नॉट गोना केयर अबाउट इट. लोग बहुत है. हैदराबाद है, रामोजी फिल्म सिटी है, बट दैट्स इट. हैदराबादी बिरयानी है. यस, सो हैदराबादी बिरयानी अगेन मैं वेज हूँ तो मेरे को इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बट ठीक है. दिस इज त्रिपुरा. अगेन वाई आर यू देयर? नो क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड. This is Uttar Pradesh, I think. Yeah, Uttar Pradesh is, let's put it up there. No, Uttar Pradesh, your existence doesn't matter because again Bihari type भी उत्तर प्रदेश है. वहाँ पे सिर्फ योगी है who is doing something good, but gangsters, Mirzapur, everything, every bad thing that can happen is in उत्तर प्रदेश. तो उत्तर प्रदेश तो बाय बाय टाटा. मैं इसको यहाँ पे भी करूँगा, मैं इसको एंड में रखना चाहिए. एटलीस्ट दी स्टेट्स मैटर, उत्तर प्रदेश डजंट मैटर. आई नो बहुत ज़्यादा पब्लिक है, लाइक दैट्स द मैक्स पब्लिक यू कैन फाइंड इन अ स्टेट. नाउ वी गॉट उत्तराखंड. उत्तराखंड इज गुड. वाई उत्तराखंड? वेट, लेट्स डू मध्य प्रदेश डाउन. वाई उत्तराखंड इज गुड? Dehradun capital. They have sick, like very sick waterfalls. They have like a good terrain, like ऐसे पूरी चढ़ाई वो सब है. But again हिमाचल प्रदेश ऊपर, यहाँ पे आता है उत्तराखंड. ठीक है, it doesn't affect that much. Last we got Bengalis. Well, I'm gonna put Bengalis around here. Yeah. Why? I'm sleepy. I don't know why. I know why. Sorry. Bengalis, because Kolkata is the hub of every literature happening in and around. Actually, Nagaland should be upper. क्योंकि वहाँ पे वो कॉलेज था उनका. आई एम फॉरगेटिंग द ओल्ड कॉलेज नेम. सबसे पहला कॉलेज जो डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया था. देयर वाज अ कॉलेज. ओके, तो बट वी आर स्टिल गोना पुट वेस्ट बंगाल ऊपर, क्योंकि पहले तो मदर टेरेसा, रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर एंड पूरा नवाब सिस्टम वहाँ से चालू हुआ, बंगाल से. ठीक है, साउथ इंडिया में छोला सिस्टम था, पांड्या सिस्टम था, आई अंडरस्टैंड, बट पूरा कॉलोनाइजेशन और ये सब बंगाल से. लाइक बंगाल वाज वन ऑफ द वो कैपिटल्स, सो इट वाज सपोज्ड टू बी दिल्ली, बॉम्बे, चेन्नई एंड बेंगलोर, कोलकाता. सो इट हैज़ लाइक अ वेरी बिग सिग्निफिकेंस. नाउ द स्टेट दैट इज नॉट कवर्ड इन दिस इज जम्मू कश्मीर. आई डोंट नो व्हाई the tablet didn't have it. I should just slap myself, right? Tapak. Oh shit, ज़्यादा लग गई. But हाँ, जम्मू कश्मीर इस क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि I have no idea क्यों नहीं है इसमें. But जम्मू कश्मीर is up there. It's gonna be somewhere here. Why? Because again, पाकिस्तान से fight. इतनी stories, कश्मीर 303 Article 370. Kashmiri Pandits. Only good part about Jammu Kashmir is Srinagar. Yeah, Srinagar, because वो पूरा main hub है. Again, उत्तर प्रदेश में I know. Wait. Yeah. उत्तर प्रदेश में आगरा आता है. नो, ताजमहल है, आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट, बट ठीक है, उसको तो ऊपर कर सकता हूँ मैं. एक्चुअली उत्तर प्रदेश इतना बेकार नहीं जितना बिहार है. लेट्स डू इट हियर. आसाम क्यों नहीं आया यार इसमें? आसाम शुड बी समवेयर हियर. मेघालय, मिजोरम, मणिपुर, सिक्किम, नागालैंड, Oh, वेस्ट मेघालय तो ओके, तो ये आसाम था पूरा। वेस्ट तो आसाम को मेरे को ऊपर लाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि आसाम इज़ गुड, आसाम इज़ गुड। वहाँ पे आपको अच्छा लगेगा जाके क्योंकि ये इतना रिच, एवरीथिंग इज देयर। सो दैट्स इट फॉर द टीयर लिस्ट। आई नो मैं बहुत अब्बासी लिया हूँ, अगली बार अगर मैं अब्बासी लेता हूँ आई शुड जस्ट गिव अवे गिफ्ट कार्ड, राइट? पिन इन द कमेंट एंड see you next time, hopefully with a better video idea. Well, you're gonna be getting a tier, like 3 more tier list coming up with after these videos. There's a vlog coming up. I'm also working on a data science curriculum or course type of thing for anyone, to be honest, because I've done bachelor's, I've done master's in data science, and I have like a lot of knowledge I have to provide. So I'm gonna do that. It's gonna be cheaper. It's gonna be around $15 to $20 per plan, and like you can also get an unlimited plan, which is like, which might be around 50, but like 30 to 50, but you will be getting updated with every new thing I ever do. Still in development. It's gonna take a year or something, but as of now, this is the tier list. This is the tier list by me. I love making tier list because it's my opinion and I love to do my opinion. So just to give you an idea, S tier: Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. Yeah, up there, like those are recognized, are Karnataka, West Bengal, Goa, Himachal Pradesh, and yeah, and that's it for today's. Yeah, I'm getting a call now. So that's it for today's tier list. Thank you, Baba Shia.